Cricket West Indies President Dave Cameron believes that the team's current struggles are due to players' lack of commitment. The Windies lost in all three formats to India recently and lost to Bangladesh in an away test series for the first time in their history. Speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Wednesday, Cameron argued that the problem extends beyond the field of play.
We are challenged as a people. Everybody wants the game to be over in 3 hours, and we all want to get rich very, very quickly. We have a board meeting this weekend. We have to make some serious decisions around our West Indies cricket first policy, because part of our challenge is that we're having players who going in and out of the system. They're not fit enough. We've spent millions of dollars on bringing them to where they're at, and we need players to commit to West Indies.
Cameron also says that the public should play its part in holding the players accountable for their lack of commitment.
It's not an outcry across the region because West Indies is not one country. If this was South Africa, we would not allow our players to be playing other events when West Indies is playing cricket. There'll be a national outcry and people will be banned and all kind of things. But it's okay. And we seemingly don't have the moral authority to force people to play for us, even though we've spent millions of dollars developing these athletes. And so I think we need some kind of a